Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Party Tech. So today I got another exciting video for you guys. What I have here is a case. Alright, I'm gonna reveal this soon, but before I reveal this, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to get notified when I have another upload on my channel. Alright, so as you can see here, I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now I have a clear case. This case I got from Walmart. This was like $4.99. Alright, sorry about that. My daughter is in the background there laughing, so don't pay that any mind, just listen to me. Alright, so I have the clear case. I got this at Walmart for $4.99. I have the Midnight Green 11 Pro Max, and this I got this case just so I could have the color of the iPhone shown. I don't want to cover it up, this beautiful color here. So I was looking around, I saw some cases online. I saw on YouTube they have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid, the transparent case, but I wanted something different with a little color on there. So I did a little research on YouTube. I didn't see this one on there, so I decided to go ahead, pull the plug and get it and try it out for myself, see what it looks like. So I have the package here. This just came in the mail today. Just gonna open this, do a little unboxing of this case, try it on and see how it looks. So this is the Spigen. This is the Ultra Hybrid case, as you can see here. It have the midnight green accents going around it, around the edge of the phone, around the cameras here, and this is in the midnight green, so it goes good with the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, so here you can see it's a regular Spigen package. Got the picture of the case on the front and everything else. This is probably the midnight green, as you can see right here. Let me see if this focus a little bit so we can have that shown clearly. And we have the midnight green color right here. Not sure if you can see that, but it's there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this case out of the box, put it next to the package. Alright, it's in the standard plastic that you get your cases in. This is the back. As you can see here, you have some plastic coating inside here. It has a midnight green edges going around, and it's around the camera bump as well. So this gives it a little raise above the camera bump, just so it protects it if you're laid on the back. Got the volume up and down on the side. Got the cutout for the button where you can turn your silent on and off, and the power on the right hand side here. Really looks nice. I have the clear case on here. Now I'm gonna take it off, put it next to the midnight green iPhone, see how close the colors are. And it's not exactly the same color, but it's pretty close. In person it seems like the case is way greener, but it's pretty close, Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off the outside. Let's see here, peel that off. Go ahead and take it off on the inside as well. Alright, now you can see it looks a little better here. As you can see, my hand really clear through the glass in the back, the plastic, sorry, I'm saying glass, I'm used to saying the glass. So you can see that really clearly, way better than when the plastic was inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap this in the case and see how it looks. Okay, alright, there we go, perfect. So this is what it looks like, guys. Beautiful case, a little bit of raise above the edge of the iPhone, so if you put it down on the face like this, it protects it. On the back it looks really nice as well. So you can see how the green blends in with the case, the protection around the camera here. So if you put it down on the back, it has a little raise there as well, so you can not worry about hitting your cameras or getting those hit on the flat surface. And it also has some little edges around here, as you can see, little bumps or stoppers, as I would call them, right here. You got it on the edge right here, little raise on all four corners of this case. Alright, so yeah, it looks really nice. If you lock the screen, you'll see the edges better. You can see how the edges raise a little bit above the screen, so it protects it when you put it down on the face like this. Alright, so you put it down like this, you're protected. You put it down on the back, you're protected. And you can see at the bottom you have the cutouts here for the charging port, your speakers, and the microphone. They're all cut out there. You have your silencer right here. You have the volume up and down. If I press those, they feel really nice. No different from the one on the iPhone. Pretty much they have the nice clicky feel to them. Same thing with the power button as well. Alright, so your buttons are nice and clicky, feel nice. They're not they don't feel any resistant on the keys, like they're hard to press or anything. And the back here, really clear, really nice. So the good thing with this case, you won't have to worry about the edges turning yellow, since it's already green. So you won't have to worry about this. Like this one, I know a few months down the road it would definitely turn yellow, but I'm gonna keep this case and interchange between these two cases. So it's a really nice case, beautiful case. Alright, so that's it, guys. This is the case. Look at it again. You can have this, you can see it from the back, from the side, the bottom here. Looks really nice. Alright, so that's the video. Thank you for watching. Remember, before you head off this video, turn that notification bell on. Hit the subscribe button so you get notified when you when I have another upload on my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna file this out of the way, put this down on the desk so you can have another look at this. Alright, beautiful case, guys, very beautiful. Look at that. Goes great with the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, whichever one you have. So if you were thinking about getting this case, hope this review helps you out in making a decision. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this case for a while. So yeah, really beautiful, looks really nice in person. So thank you for watching, and remember, hit that subscribe button before you get off this video. Alright, peace.